Good morning, students. We will discuss about the different structure of cell. Let's see. This is the plant cell. Here the cell wall is present in plant cell, but in animal cell wall is not present. But in both plants and in animal cell, plasma membrane is present. Then chloroplast, here chloroplast is present as it is a plant cell, so chloroplast is present. क्लोरोप्लास्ट का काम क्या है? व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ क्लोरोप्लास्ट? इट इज कॉल्ड एज किचन ऑफ द सेल. दैट मीन्स प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फूड टेक्स प्लेस इन chloroplast. Clear? If we can see chloroplast in a vivid manner, we will see that a stroma and grana is present inside it. The liquid part is called stroma, and the coin like structure, that is the grana. The grana are connected in between them by a thylakoid membrane or fat membrane. Okay, that is fat membrane. Okay, next another important part is your mitochondria. एंड ये जो सिमिलरिटी है माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया और क्लोरोप्लास्ट में, दोनों को हम सेमी ऑटोनोमस ऑर्गेनेल बोलते हैं. ठीक है, दे आर कॉल्ड सेमी ऑटोनोमस ऑर्गेनेल बिकॉज दे हैव दी ओन डीएनए एंड राइबोसोम. ओके, सो एंड another one similarity is that in both chloroplast and mitochondria their membrane is double membrane. Okay, then mitochondria is called powerhouse of the cell. ठीक है, because in mitochondria respiration takes place, and in respiration ATP is produced, which is used, ATP is used for doing several work. Okay, in mitochondria we will see that there are some tennis racket like structure that is called oxysome is present. ठीक है, और उसको हम टेल F0 F1 particles. ठीक है, that means it produce energy, and ATP is called the energy currency of the cell, and this energy currency is stored in the powerhouse, that is mitochondria, and ATP is used in various work. It is called as energy currency. Okay, देखो जैसे कि we use currency, that means coin, note, currency for buy something, yes or no? That means if we want to buy anything we use currency like this. If in any case energy is required, ATP is used by the cell, so it is energy currency. Okay, then another structure you see here, that is the Golgi apparatus. Its function is to packaging of the cell material. Okay, that means inside it processing of materials, जो materials comes to it, ये प्रोसेस होके, ठीक है, रॉ प्रोडक्ट प्रोसेस होके फाइनल प्रोडक्ट में निकलता है. और देखो और एक स्ट्रक्चर देखो, दैट इज योर लाइसोसोम. इट इज कॉल्ड सुइसाइडल sac or suicidal bag of the cell, because inside lysosome there are certain enzyme are present. Okay, if it is burst then it kill total cell. ठीक है, so it is called suicidal bag. कैसे होता है कि देखो, if any cell is disease wound, okay, then it burst, then it kills the cell, because from this cell proliferation can take place from other cell, so the cell should die. Okay, then next is our main component देखो, which is the brain of the cell, that is your nucleus. Okay, इसे nucleus जो है, these are present nuclear envelope is there, which is also double membrane, and in this pore is there, nuclear pore. Here we will see nuclear pore is there. Okay, so inside nucleus, nucleolus is present, and the main work is to nucleus is that inside it our chromosome is present. Okay, which carry the characters of a human being or any organism. Inside this chromosome what are present? DNA and protein. Okay, DNA and protein are present in chromosome. Clear? So all the activities are controlled by this nucleus, and inside nucleus also nucleolus is present, and the fluid substance is present is called nucleoplasm. And we can see easily that the endoplasmic reticulum here, it extends from the outer nuclear membrane to the other parts of the cell. Okay, so it transport materials across the cell. Then this endoplasmic reticulum, if ribosome is present, then it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. If ribosome is not present, then it is called smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, then if ribosome is present, it can do protein synthesis. So the rough endoplasmic reticulum, we can say that it performs protein synthesis because ribosome is present, but as ribosome is not present in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, so it cannot perform protein synthesis. Okay, then comes to a ribosome. Okay, ribosome two types का होता है जनरली, 70S और 80S है. 70S प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल में देखा जाता है, जो प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल हो you know previously have studied, and the 80S ribosome, that is the advanced ribosome that is present in eukaryotic cell. Then vacuole, see, generally we see that vacuole, it acquires maximum portion of the plant cell. Okay, it's because most of the plant cell are permanent cell, so inside the vacuole it's a fluid, that is means its waste and fluid are present, so maximum portion is occupied by the vacuole in plant cell, you cannot say the animal cell. Okay, and due to presence of this large vacuole in plant cell, the nucleus, as it should be in the central position, but it comes to a side position. Okay, सो दैट इज आवर वैक्यूल. ये वैक्यूल जो है, वैक्यूल का सिंगल मेम्ब्रेन बाउंडेड ऑर्गेनल्स है. वैक्यूल इज आवर सिंगल मेम्ब्रेन बाउंडेड ऑर्गेनल्स. ओके, सो most of the portion we studied. Then in next class we will study. Just if you have any doubt, you ask me in comment section, or like this we will make other video also. So you just subscribe the channel and follow the channel. I will make you understand all other topic through this platform. Okay, thank you all.